I'm Danny, and I'm a curriculum writer at Code.org. In college, I took my interest in sports and combined it with my interest in computer science. And I worked on a robotics team, and we actually competed internationally, so around the world. So I got to travel to Istanbul and Mexico, and I love how it connects to every field and any interests you have. As you've been building your websites, you've learned to use HTML to give it structure. We've learned to define headings, lists, paragraphs, and images to make your website start to look the way you want. But usually just giving a website structure isn't enough. You want to give it style to fully bring the content to life. The same website about fitness could have a sleek and simple style or a quirky and eclectic style, and each would feel different to your user. To create style rules for a simple web page about fitness. First, we'll write the CSS to turn all the paragraph text purple. To indicate that we want to apply a set of rules to all the paragraph elements, we write the name of the tag P, followed by an open, and then a close curly brace. We refer to the P here as the selector. The selector indicates the type of element the style rule will apply to. Next, we need to indicate what about the paragraphs we'd like to change. In this case, we want to change the color of the paragraph text. This part of the rule is called a property. And color is just one of the many properties we can change about a paragraph. A property is followed by a colon. Finally, we need to specify the value we want for that property. To make the paragraph purple, let's add the word purple after the property. And finally, add a semicolon to indicate the end of the style rule. The CSS that we just wrote is called a rule set, because like the name implies, it's a set of rules to specify a style for the selected element. We can add multiple property value pairs to the same selector to further control the style of our web page's paragraph elements. If we want these paragraphs to be purple and large, we can add the font size property to control the text size. Then specify a number value to set how large the font will be. CSS allows for all sorts of style rules. Fonts, positioning, size, and colors. The more style rules you learn, the more you can make your web page tell the story you want.